What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the wireless remote that comes included with your RockOn-7 moving headlight. Another way we can control our light is with the wireless remote. So if we look on top here, you'll see that we have a power button to turn our light on or off. We have this save button so the light can remember the last setting it was set to. We also got the reset button to reset our light altogether. We also got buttons to set our light to the auto, sound, or strobe mode. And we can use the speed plus and speed minus buttons to control the speed of the auto, sound, or strobe mode. We got the dimmer button to control the brightness for our lights. And we can adjust the brightness by using the speed plus and the speed minus buttons. We can also press the color button to change the color of our light using the speed plus and speed minus button. We got the full button to set our light to the full mode. We also got the X button to control the pan for the light and the Y button to control the tilt for the light. Once we press any of these buttons, we can use the speed plus and the speed minus button to control the actual pan or tilt. We can also set our lights to the base colors of red, green, blue, or white. And then lastly, we can set our lights to the automated mode using the number buttons here. So we can press the 1 button to set it to an automated mode, and then the 2, 3, and 4 buttons to set it to the other automated modes. From there, we can also use the speed plus and the speed minus buttons to control the speed for these modes. You can also use the remote to control your lights while in master-slave mode, or to control the lights at a line of sight distance while pointing directly at each light. So hopefully this showed you guys how to use the remote to control your RockOn-7 moving headlight. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.